In this video, we're going to be creating a new file in our folder. So it's pretty simple. There are two ways. The simplest way is just to click this button over here, this little icon right here. It says new file. It's at the top where the folder is. So this folder can be closed like this. You can see its contents like this. If you have other folders, you can look at them. This is technically a folder and look at its contents like that. So it's just another way to traverse your file system. So what we're going to do here is up here, we're going to click this plus sign for new file. You can add a new folder as well. And we'll just type in trivia.py. So we're going to create a little trivia game. But first we need to create the file. And when we do that, you'll see that you'll have a blank file over here. And that's where we're going to begin writing our code. So the other way of creating a file is just through the menu up here. You do file and then new file over there, and we'll create a file like that. So you can see it's just placed it in that same folder. The solution is over here. Don't look at it right away. We'll be going through it slowly, and then that's just provided to check on your own.